Hello all traders! In this video, we continue our discussion on the second secret of professional trader success and outline the advantages of using smart drills under a learning management system. As we mentioned earlier, professionals look for the best available coaching that teaches the mastery of the process and algorithms of a profitable trading system. The best professional clubs and sports leagues engage with renowned coaches to develop a comprehensive, deliberate practice training system. This includes baseline evaluation process, smart goal development, practical drills at various levels, an immediate feedback system, and constant monitoring and supervision. The development of deliberate practice is a tedious undertaking since it involves breaking a whole complex system into smaller, easier to understand sections. Each module must have a specific goal and be presented in the right sequence, with an increasing level of difficulty. The repetition of smart drills is what makes it effective, allowing you to be one step closer to achieving mastery. A coach must provide one-on-one immediate feedback to each learner and must constantly monitor their progress to ensure they're advancing to their full potential. With the advent of innovative training systems and simulations in the recent years, it's possible to develop live computerized smart drills that provide instant feedback. These smart drills mimic real-life situations, providing a valuable virtual learning experience at no risk for traders. The Show Me aspect of a drill allows active learning and feedback in real time, demonstrating the instant consequences of an action based on the learner's decision. All of these are important in developing the skills related to the process and algorithms of a trading system. By embedding smart drills within the Modern Learning Management System, or LMS, the system acts like a live 24-hour coach, providing a dynamic training environment with prompt feedback and constant monitoring of the learners. The training process is designed to be identical to the process and algorithms of a profitable trading system, creating the skills of the best decision-making and habits of confident execution over time. The LMS evaluates the learner's level automatically by challenging students with various tests and guiding them to the appropriate set of drills to reach a higher level of competency. LMS has the advantage of gamification, which allows learners to be fully engaged and have fun learning while solving difficult problems and practicing complex drills for a holistic skill development experience. Therefore, smart deliberate practice drills under LMS puts you in control of your trading skill development. You can practice to become profitable instead of trading randomly under stressful and risky market conditions that creates bad habits and losses. This concludes our discussion on the second important element of professional trader success, which is mastering the execution of a profitable trading system. For an overview of the third secret of professional trader success, which is resolving the human and market psychology conflict, please click on the next video.